Automated production machines that make car engines and transmissions. What should be their core feature? Quick working speed? Strong durability? Or a reasonable price? What is more important as a pivot than those elements? It is people. Safe and effective automated production machines for people. The automated production machine technology of PR that puts people ahead of anything else is perfect and quick. PR Company Limited has continued to develop itself with its accumulated technical skills and technology in the automated production machine sector since its establishment in 2000. Of all the working places in South Korea, we have our head office in Ulsan as a foothold and the Gumi factory, which can build up the full turnkey line. We have also set up overseas corporations as a foothold for the global markets in India, China, and America. We divide the business departments into the FA Business Department, the PRCAM Business Department, and the PCM Business Department, and possess a research center affiliated with PR. The turnkey project belonging to the FA Business Department is a representative automated production facility of PR, in which the know-how of PR is grafted on the company's technology. This automation technology integrates all the systems to finally manufacture car engines and transmissions. The system is constructed through the customizing of the conveyor system, the robot system, the nut runners, the presses, the washing equipment, the vision system, and the leakage test devices to manufacture the relevant products. PR possesses the technology in which total engineering can be realized through both the early prior technology like planning and design, and new manufacturing method and new technology. Not a mere manufacturing facility, as we have the know-how to build up an engine assembling line turnkey manufacturing machines, which make possible to manufacture 300,000 engines a year. Of these manufacturing machines, the washing equipment, which is produced by PRCAM Business Department, is a business area for which PR has another vision. We are making all-out efforts to properly respond to the rapidly changing market by securing a range of products from the medium and large-sized cylinder liner washing equipment, which is the world's first product, to an air-blowing device. We divide the washing equipment into the low, middle, and high-pressure types, depending on the characteristics of the objects to be washed, and provide the equipment to bring out the best washing effects with the accumulated know-how of PR. In addition, we introduce various products of the PCM Business Department, a pallet for assembly that helps all the parts located at an accurate place, a carrier that puts together and carries engines, transmissions, and suspension modules on the automotive assembly line. Beginning process products aimed at examining the specs of parts prior to mass production. We have an outstanding technology in the pallet and carrier area, an element indispensable to the manufacturing machine and automation on the automatic assembly line. PR Company Limited are exporting products to 13 countries in the world and developing into a global company. We provide engine production technology for South Korean global companies like Hyundai Motors, Kia Motors, Samsung, and SsangYong Motors. The products of PR are recognized in the global markets as well for their excellent quality. This technology is enhancing our brand value by winning a variety of awards. In addition, we possess more than 30 patents and will go on to run for a better future. We sincerely hope that you will make great strides and grow as our customers and partners. We will stand shoulder to shoulder and work with you in an effective and efficient manner for your better future. Convenient, safe, and effective automated production machines for people. The automated production machines technology of PR, which puts people ahead of anything else, will make the technology of the future. PR Company Limited.